Hey guys, this is Sonny Bhinder. September is here, and let me tell you, this month is one of the most important months for the real estate market. If you're thinking of buying, selling, or investing in the Surrey, Langley, or the Vancouver market, pay attention because the next 6 to 8 weeks could be your best shot. Today I'm going to break down what's happening with the economy, jobs, new construction, mortgage rates, and what it all means for you. And I promise this won't be boring economics. I'll keep it simple, real, and useful. So, what's going on with the economy? Here's the real picture. Canada's economy basically hit the pause during this summer. The moment tariffs made the news, people froze. Businesses slowed down and market went to a halt. That is why GDP dropped and exports fell off the cliff. The job market isn't looking good either. Youth unemployment is at a 20-year high and wage growth is slowing down. People are nervous, they are spending less, and that is what's slowing down the housing activity. So here's where things get really interesting. New construction. In Toronto, with nearly 7 million people, only a few hundred homes got sold last month. That's nothing. And here in BC, we are seeing the same stress. Developers are stuck. Imagine you build a tower with cost based on selling $1,300 per square feet. But resale condos down the street are going for $1,000 per square feet. If you drop your prices that low, you're going bankrupt. That is why resale homes are selling much faster. They can adjust to the market. Developers can't. And this is where smart buyers will find opportunities. Discounted condos, closeout inventory, reduced prices, and assignments where sellers just need to move on. What about interest rates? Well, bond yields have just dipped a bit. So mortgage rates are holding steady. Most people are still borrowing around 4%. Now the Bank of Canada rate announcement is on 17th of September, and there's a 50-50 chance they will do a rate cut. It could be 25 basis point or 50 basis point. But here's the truth. If they do a rate cut, it is not because things are amazing. It is because the economy looks weak. Will a small cut suddenly boost prices? Not really, but it might give the market a bit more activity. Here's a quick side note for landlords. The BC government capped the rent increase at 3% this year. So if you have got a tenant way below market, you are stuck unless they move out. And remember, rents in Vancouver and Toronto peaked a year ago. Now all the rents have come down. So the question is why September matters. After summer break, September and October are the most busiest months of the year in real estate. People get back from vacation and kids are in school, and suddenly buyers and sellers activity picks up. So if you're selling, here's the play. Refresh your listing, update the photos, adjust the price, and start showing. You have got about a 6 to 8 weeks window before the things slow down in November. And if you're buying, this is when inventory is the best. All those homes that sat all summer will be back, plus new listings. And finally, now a lot of sellers will be ready to negotiate. So here's the action plan if I was a seller. Be realistic, the spring market is gone. Take new set of photos, adjust the price, make the property look good, put it on the market back again, and start the showing going. And when the right offer comes in, negotiate and work on the deal. And yes, if I was a buyer, I will get myself pre-approved, get my rate locked in, and I will pen down those 6 to 8 homes which I saw during the summer month and they are still on the market. I will go revisit those properties again and negotiate hard with them to make a deal. I would also look at those homes with big price drops and long days on market. And for investors, run the numbers carefully. Look for cash flow properties, especially in resale. So here's the bottom line. September is all about speed and strategy. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, you got a short window to make a move before things start slowing down in November. If you want a custom game plan for the fall market, reach out. I have helped more than 1,300 families buy and sell in this Surrey, Langley, and Vancouver market. And don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Drop a comment if you found this video helpful. I will see you next week with another update.